what does your positive mind say? It will become a beautiful tree with fruits and flower. But what does your negative mind say? होगा क्या? Where the harder you push your positive thinking, the quicker your negative mind say नहीं हुआ तो. So between this positive and negative thinking, we always feel suffocated. In such a position, we should opt for a new thinking, that is practical thinking. Practical thinking is mixture of positive thinking and negative thinking. Now what does practical thinking say? It says, I have fulfilled my responsibility of sowing seeds and nurturing it, but the outcome and growth is not in my hand. Hello everyone, I am Sapna Chirania and today I am here to imbibe in you a new thinking, that is practical thinking. From our childhood, we have learned that there are two types of thinking, positive thinking and negative thinking. And we have also learned that we should always think positive and stay away from negative thinking. But will this be easy every time? When we are in extreme situations, can we be positive? Like if anyone is having a failed relationship or going through a breakup, what positive thinking should he or she think? कि कोई बात नहीं, एक गया दूसरा मिल जाएगा, नहीं ना? When anyone has suffered a huge business loss, what should he think? कि एक बिजनेस में प्रॉफिट लॉस होते रहते हैं, फिर कर लेंगे, ऐसा नहीं है. According to research conducted by National Science Foundation, we have around 12,000 to 50,000 thoughts daily, of which 80% of our thoughts are negative. So, is it always possible to suppress our negative thinking? In my view, no. So, in such a position, we should convert our thinking into practical thinking. Practical thinking is the best option for all types of situation. Taking earlier example, let's see how practical thinking works. Like if anyone is having a failed relationship or going through a breakup, practical thinking says it's okay to spend 1 or 2 nights being sad. It's normal. After that, try to continue with your normal routine. If anyone has suffered a huge business loss, don't force positivity. Rather, try to overcome that situation by thinking practically, which says, what can I do now? What happened was not in my hand, but what step should I take to overcome this situation is in my hand. Let's take another example. 2 persons, suppose Nancy and I, were talking in a room and suddenly you came. What was the first thing that would come in your mind? What are they talking about? What are they talking about? Or are they backbiting me? Or are they talking about me? But if you think practically, maybe we have a common friend about whom we were talking. Maybe I was sharing my personal matter with her, and I don't want to share anyone except her. That's why we stopped talking. So be practical. Anything can be the reason. Situations are not in our hand, but our action is. And our action changes according to our situation. We take action according to our thinking. Even we take different actions according to our thinking, even in similar situation. Let's see how. If you respect anyone or you like anyone, and that person takes your thing without your permission, you will think maybe he needed it urgently, or maybe he will inform me later. But if you dislike and disrespect anyone, that person takes your thing without your permission, you will start to doubt his or her character. In this way, our action does not depend on situations. Our action depends on our thinking. At last, I would like to conclude my beautiful quote, which aptly describes practical thinking. God give me the serenity to accept the things that I cannot change, and courage to change the things that I can, and wisdom to know the difference. Thank you.